Hello everyone, welcome back to our Learn English in 30 Days Summer Special Series. This is day 9 and today we are learning something super useful for everyday life. How to ask prices, discounts and bargain confidently in English. Whether you are in a shopping in a market, mall or online, these English sentences will help you speak naturally and confidently. So let's start today's lesson. Asking the price. When you want to know the cost of something, you can use these simple questions. How much is this? What's the price of this? How much does it cost? Can you tell me the price? Dialogue. Example 1. Customer. Excuse me, how much is this shirt? Shopkeeper. It's 800 rupees. Customer. Oh, okay. Dialogue. Example 2. Customer. What's the price of these shoes? Shopkeeper. They are 1500 rupees. Remember one thing, how much is this for one item? How much are these for multiple items? Asking for discounts. Now let's learn how to ask for discounts politely. Can you give me a discount? Is there any discount? Can you reduce the price? What's your best price? Do you have any offers today? Dialogue. Example 3. Customer. Can you give me a discount? Shopkeeper. Yes, I can reduce 100 rupees. Customer. Great, thank you. Dialogue. Example 4. Customer. What's your best price? Shopkeeper. Final price is 900 rupees. Customer. Okay, I will take it. Always speak politely while bargaining. Use words like please, thank you, excuse me. Part 3. Useful shopping vocabulary. English word meaning: discount, reduce, price, offer, special, deal, expensive, costly, cheap, low, price, bill, payment, receipt, cash, money, online payment, UPI or card payment. Practice sentences. This bag is too expensive. Do you accept online payment? Can I pay by card? I want the bill, please. Part 4. Real life practice scene. Shopping conversation. Customer. Excuse me, how much is this watch? Shopkeeper. It's rupees. Customer. That's expensive. Can you reduce the price? Shopkeeper. Okay, I can give it for 1700. Customer. Can you make it 1500? Shopkeeper. Alright, final price 1500. Customer. Done. Thank you. Part 5. Quick practice challenge. Now it's your turn. Repeat after me. How much is this? Can you give me a discount? That's too expensive. I will take it. Can I pay online? Excellent job. Now you can shop confidently in English. If you enjoyed today's lesson, don't forget to like, comment your favorite sentence, subscribe to the channel. and I will see you tomorrow in day 10 of our Learn English in 30 Days Summer Series. Bye everyone.